Hi, now we will talk about the golden ratio. The golden ratio is often denoted by the Greek letter phi, that is approximately 1.618, and it's the mathematical ratio that's been found in various aspects of art, architecture, and nature, and it's often associated with aesthetic beauty. For our example, let us use the problem. Robin draws his portraits in a 5 centimeter by 8.090177 centimeter grids. And according to the golden ratio, will his portraits look good for most people? Now let us formulate the problem, which will be 8.090117 over 5, which will then be 1.618034. And that number is very close to the golden ratio. So Robin's portraits, based on the dimension he's using, would indeed adhere closely to the golden ratio. For many people, this adherence to the golden ratio might enhance the perceived beauty and aesthetic appeal of his portraits.